In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to connect Gemini AI with Google Apps. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the official website of Gemini, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is, here you're going to find this message box. Here type in @. Now different Google app options will appear. From these options, you can select any of the Google app that you want to connect to Gemini. All you have to do is click on it. Then go ahead and type any of the prompt and send it. With this, the selected feature will be added to your Gemini. Or there is another method as well. For that, you will need to click on this gear icon given at the bottom left. Now click on the option Connected Apps. Here as well, you're going to find all the Google apps. Select the one that you want to connect to Gemini. Simply toggle on for the option of Connect. Gemini AI may ask for permission to access certain features of the selected app, follow the on-screen instructions, and grant the necessary permissions to complete the connection process. And that's it. This is how you can easily connect Gemini AI with Google Apps. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.